stuck.
Okay, Scarlett, here's your presents from Ecom and Papa.
And they're stuck, so you only get one, not two.
They're magical presents.
Okay. Now I know what that one is, and so is that one. See?
Somebody's not a good taper.
Open it. Yep. I didn't tape it. Mama.
Yeah, you did. See, right here's my little taper. Chilling with his foot up on the chair.
The box. Oh, what is that going to be, Scarlett? I don't know.
Maybe it's a box of chicken.
It's yours. It'd
Really?
never be a box of chicken. And next to that one. That's chocolate. Again? I know.
Those are different ones in different colors.
Yep. Not good. Because I never had this one. Is it yours? Another ketchup thing? I know.
Ooh, it's a Slimmer Shop.
Huh?
Or Shimmer Shop.
Shimmer makes more sense than Slimmer.
I don't know.
It's ketchup. I know. Over 50 pieces.
Ooh, Owen, there's 50 pieces you get to eat.
Yay!
You better keep that stuff up high. Got it?
Cool, you can paint stuff. You should paint stuff
You
for
got markers, glitter pens.
We can paint the baby!
Marbles.
What do you think, Scarlett?
And candy.
Paint something for Eco Papa, saying thank you.
There's candy.
It's not candy.
Scarlett.
Those are jewels. Scarlett, what do you say?
Thank you.
Hey, you want to look at them?
Okay.
No. Well, you want to look at the camera and say thank you to Eco and Papa?
Thank you, Eco and Papa. You banana. I didn't say anything. I didn't.
Can you blow kisses?
Hugs. I don't want it.
Oh, you want to blow kisses? Blow kisses?
Everyone blows kisses.
Do you know how to blow kisses yet?
Miss you, Eco Papa. Banana. Love you.
You want to blow kisses?
No.
No? Okay.
How about you blow kisses, Mom?
Because I haven't had a shower or put on makeup yet.
Oh, if you're not in the picture.